You search for how to buy shares of Lifeward Ltd, and this short video shows the practical steps. Lifeward Ltd is a healthcare company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LFWD. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To trade LFWD, you need a broker, and we use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the workflow. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LFWD to find Lifeward Ltd on NASDAQ. Make sure you select the correct listing to locate the right stock. Open the Lifeward Ltd asset page to review the company summary and the price chart. Confirm the LFWD ticker and company details to ensure this is the correct stock. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and carefully review the order before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or queued, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before confirmation. After purchase, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. The eToro link is in the description if you want to visit the platform.